Who's that? I don't know. Let's find out. Wag loves meeting new people. She's so curious. Being curious means you want to learn more about the world, about ideas, and about other people. Come on! Hi, I'm Wag and this is Splash. We've never seen you before. Did you just move to Coraville?
Oh, yes, I'm Otto.
The deep kelp reef? That sounds magnificent. What's it like?
Oh, it's incredible. It's dark and glowy and full of tiny creatures that light up at night.
Wouldn't that's what you like to do, Otto? 8 arms? You could paint 8 pictures at once.
I never thought of it that way.
Oh, the word chest. Curious. Say it with us. Curious. Curious means wanting to learn and explore new things, new places, new ideas, and new friends. When you're curious about someone, it makes them feel special. Try asking a question today. Here's your curious challenge. Ask someone a question you've never asked them before. Like, what's your favorite color? Or what's the best thing that happened to you today? Or, if you could visit anywhere in the ocean, where would you go? Today's word, curious. It means wanting to learn and explore. The world is full of wonder. Go find it. Stay kind, stay curious, and stay fin-tastic! See you next time in Coraville!